Campari is a popular Italian cocktail ingredient that's a classic aperitif, aperitivo in Italian. Along with its characteristic strong bitter, slightly sweet taste and bright red-orange color, Campari imparts flavors and aromas of orange peel, clove, cherry, cinnamon, and rhubarb. Campari drinks are visually appealing. The red-orange color of the Campari imparts a beautiful sunset hue to cocktails. Try any of these delicious and pretty Campari drink recipes. 10 Simple Campari Cocktail Recipes. Campari cocktails can benefit from the liqueur's bright orange color and bittersweet flavor. The trick in creating Campari drinks is to achieve a balance of flavor so the bitterness isn't overwhelming. These Campari recipes balance the bitterness of Campari with other flavor elements to make delicious and complex mixed drinks.
Number 1. Campari Spritz. The Campari Spritz is a simple, refreshing cocktail that's perfect for summer. It uses the classic Italian sparkling wine, Prosecco, along with Campari and soda water for a light and fizzy bittersweet beverage. Ingredients: ice, 2 ounces Campari, 2 ounces dry Prosecco. Club soda or sparkling water, lemon wedge for garnish. Number 2. Bittersweet Campari Spritz. This simple variation on the basic Campari Spritz replaces Prosecco with another fizzy Italian wine from the Piedmont region, Moscato d'Asti. This wine is sweeter than Prosecco with flavors of apricots, so it adds sweetness to balance the bitterness of the Campari. Ingredients: ice, 2 ounces Campari, 2 ounces Moscato d'Asti wine, club soda or sparkling water, orange wedge for garnish. Number 3. Negroni. The Negroni is a classic cocktail with Campari, gin, and sweet vermouth. The result is a deep red-orange cocktail with a beautiful balance of bitter, sweet, and aromatic. This Negroni recipe allows you to make the classic cocktail. Ingredients: ½ ounce of gin, ½ ounce of sweet vermouth, ½ ounce of Campari. Number 4. Campari Soda. If you love the aroma and bitterness of Campari, then you can't get much simpler than a Campari and soda. This mixed drink allows Campari's bittersweet flavor to shine because there aren't any other ingredients masking its flavors. Ingredients: ice, 2 ounces Campari, 4 ounces club soda or sparkling water. Number 5. Campari Gin Old Fashioned. Old fashioned cocktails balance bitter, sweet, and strong in a simple but tasty drink. The classic old fashioned is made with whiskey, bourbon, scotch, or rye, but the basic formula lends itself well to other combinations as well. Choose an aromatic gin with a flavor profile you particularly enjoy for this cocktail. Ingredients: 1 sugar cube, 1 tablespoon Campari, 1 orange peel, 2 ounces dry gin, splash of water or soda water, ice cubes. Number 6. Ginger Campari Gin and Tonic. Ginger brings a hint of heat that blends well in a tasty, peach-colored gin and tonic. The Campari enhances the bitterness of the tonic water, so the drink is balanced and refreshing. Ingredients: 1 sliced ginger root, peeled, 3/4 ounce freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1/4 ounce Campari, 3 ounces London dry gin, ice, 3 ounces tonic water, lime for garnish. Number 7. Campari Lemonade. Adding Campari to lemonade brings aromatic bitterness to a refreshing beverage. Ingredients: ½ ounce Campari, 1/4 ounce grenadine, 6 ounces freshly made lemonade, ice, lemon wedge and fresh mint leaf for garnish. Number 8. Boulevardier. The Boulevardier is a variation on the classic Negroni, but it's made with bourbon or rye instead of gin. Ingredients: 1 ounce Campari, 1½ ounces bourbon or rye, 1 ounce sweet vermouth, ice, orange peel for garnish. Number 9. Old Pal. The Old Pal is like a combination of a martini and a Negroni. It uses dry vermouth, Campari, and rye whiskey. Ingredients: 1 ounce rye, 1 ounce Campari, 1 ounce dry vermouth, ice, lemon peel for garnish. Number 10. Campari Paloma. Italian liqueur meets Mexico's favorite drink, the Paloma, and this delicious grapefruit, Campari, and tequila cocktail. Ingredients: 1 pink grapefruit wedge, salt ice, 3/4 ounce freshly squeezed lime juice, 3/4 ounce Campari, 1½ ounces Blanco tequila, ice, chilled grapefruit soda. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and click bell icon to get the notification for our updated new videos.